Hey guys, so every single year during the winter I always get sick. It happens over and over. I either get the flu or I get a terribly cough. And this year I'm having a terribly cough whilst I'm sniffing around all the time. And I found this tea that actually happens to make my cough go away, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I call this my cough/flu go away tea. And I wanted to show this to you guys so that your cough can go away as well. So let's get tea making, yeah? The things you'll need for your cough go away tea will be your favorite mint tea, a ginger shot of your preference. I've picked apple and lemon. And lastly, but not least, your favorite mug. Boil your water. Pour it into your mug. Add your mint tea. Wait for it to go really minty. Add as much of the ginger shot as you like, depending on how strong you want it. Now it's ready to enjoy. And that was the recipe for the cough/flu go away tea, and it smells really good and it's minty and it's strong, so I will keep enjoying this to make my sore throat be less sore so I won't cough as much. And let's taste it. It's really hot since it's just freshly made. It's really good and it's not too strong since I didn't put all of the ginger shot in there. But depending on how strong you want it, you can always just put the whole shot in there. I hope that you will enjoy the tea and your cough will go away. And you'll get through this winter without being that much sick. Since I'm still coughing a bit, I think I'll go drink my tea. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!